Okay, friends, I'm back. So what I wanted to show you with these blank magnets is that we can use them like this to make words. So if I want to write the word, oh, I gotta get myself in the screen here. Okay, if I want to make the word shred, I could do it the regular way. D. Shred. There's my word shred, right? Shred, like I shred a piece of paper. We talked about that word a couple of days ago. And if I want to make it with these blank magnets, then I would usually do it. I would not be looking at the word, but since we're just doing it the first time, I'm showing you the word. And we notice what color magnets do we need? Digraphs are always yellow, right? So if we're making shred with blank magnets, we would say we need a yellow for our digraph, and then another yellow for our consonant R. And then our E is what kind of letter? E is a vowel, right? So we know we need a pink magnet for a vowel. And then we have our D at the end, which is another consonant. D is yellow. And if we were making the word shreds, we would just add our blank bright yellow piece for our our suffix S. And then we could do the same thing when we make the word shreds with our blank tiles. Okay, so that's how that works. So let's get rid of the word. And we will try to make another word with our blank magnets. So let's move this back up. We'll move all these guys back up here. 3 and 4. Okay, so the next word we're going to make with our blank letter magnets is clam. The word is clam. A clam lives in the ocean. Clam. So if I want to make the word clam, what letter is it going to start with? So it would be k. That's a consonant. Ooh, another consonant. And then I hear am next. What do we know about am, boys and girls? Did you say that am is a glued sound? If you did, you're right. So if am is a glued sounds are, look, they're all on green magnets, right? So we have k, l, am. Am is a glued sound. I would need a green magnet to show a glued sound. And if I see more than one clam, it would be clams. So I would add my suffix S to the end. Now I've made the word clams. So hopefully when we get back to school, we can practice this so you guys can use your magnetic boards to do this and you don't just have to watch me do it. Let's do one more. How about drops? I see drops of rain fall from the sky. Drops. What do you hear first? D, 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 d. D. R. Aw. What color magnet do you think? Aw. It's a vowel, right? So I need my pink magnet. Dr, aw. P, p, p is another consonant. And I keep doing that. Suffix S goes at the end. So this would be drops. D, r, a, p, s. Drops. That's how you use your blank magnets. Pretty cool, huh? All right, guys, so the thing I'm going to do now is, like, you know how sometimes at the end of Fundations I say take out your wind books and then we practice our sounds in our words and our sentences? That's what I want to do now, but since you don't have your wind books at home, I need you to have a piece of paper. There was some Fundations paper in Google Classroom, so if you have a printer at home and a parent wants to print out that paper for you, that's fine. If not, it's okay. Any type of paper works. You can do this on any type of paper. So make sure you have paper and a pencil. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to tell you some sounds, some review words, some current words, trick words, and a sentence, just like we do at school. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll say the word or the sound, and I'll just give a minute for you to write it. If you need longer, just pause the video while you're writing it, okay? Because I don't want to go too fast for you, but I know some people need more time than others, and that's okay. So if I'm going too fast, you press pause, write down your sound or word, and then press play again when you're done, and you'll hear the next one, okay? All right, here we go. Your first sound is shh. Again, that's shh. Write that down. Okay. Your next sound is ung. Ung. All right, next sound. This is your third sound. Ank. Ank. Please write down how to make the sound ank. Okay, now we'll do 2 review words. Those are words that we've already learned about before. Your first word is packs. She packs her bag to go visit her grandma. Packs. Go ahead and write down packs, and once you're done writing it, mark it up, please. All right. Did you remember what makes the k sound after a short vowel? All right, your next word is thing. What is that thing? Your word is thing. Write it, please, and then mark it up. Okay, your next word, so the next 2 words will be current words. That means words we're working on right now. Your next word is bench. Bench. I get tired, so I sit on the bench. Write it and mark it up, please. If you're all done, did you remember to mark up the digraph blend in the word bench? Your next word is clams. Clams live in the ocean. Clams. Don't forget to mark it up when you're done. Okay, next word. Now we have 2 trick words. Your first trick word, it's a tricky trick word. It's the word would. Like, would you please help me with this? Would. Okay, your next word is one that's been tricking us for a long time, but I notice most of you are starting to get it. Your next word is of. Of. Super tricky trick word. All right, boys and girls, now I have 1 sentence for you. Here we go. Remember, when we do a sentence, if it's hard to remember the whole thing, try to break it up into parts in your brain. The first part and then the second part. Okay? This one's not too long. Here we go. Beth has her pink silk dress. Beth has her pink silk dress. Beth has her pink silk dress. One more time. Beth has her pink silk dress. So remember all the things the sentence needs at the beginning, in the middle, at the end, and then mark it up when you're done. If your parents would like to send me a picture of your work or upload it here in Google Classroom, that would be awesome. If not, that's okay. I hope that you had fun with our Fundations lesson, and have a great day, guys. Bye.